I've been seeing stuff online that pisses me off. I mean, I know that's surfing the internet in general, but this is specifically coming from UGC coaches like me. I've seen this a few times, and after having done UGC for a year, I flat out think it's bad advice. I think following this advice is going to set you up for not necessarily failure, but it's going to skew your expectations of what UGC is and what it takes to succeed with UGC. So if you watch a lot of UGC coaches out there, you know, we're on Instagram, we're on TikTok. When they talk about getting started, their philosophy is this. The first thing you should do is go around your house, grab a bunch of your favorite products, and talk about them. Make videos about them. And those should serve as your UGC examples. UGC is a business. In case you don't know, yeah, it is a business. It's a way to get money. So UGC is a business, okay? People are hiring you to make content for them. They're not hiring you because you're a fan of the product. You know, for the majority of us UGC creators, while we can get lucky and work with some of our favorite brands, our favorite products, we get a lot of work that's just not our thing. Especially, you know, I'm an older guy, I'm 51, I have to do a video today about a cane. Like, I don't use a cane. I don't need a cane, but it's a job. And, you know, if I was only working on products that I genuinely used, I wouldn't be getting a lot of work. Yeah, I don't need to scare you, but yeah, you're making ads for brand. When you do your first UGC projects, your first videos, you need to start off with the mentality that you're making an ad. When I started, you know, I looked at UGC examples. I saw how to film them, how to script them. I looked at brands or products people my age were using. And the majority of them were products that I'd never used. I used trying to remember. I did 2 ED Med ads, because, you know, guys, 50, that's a thing. I did 2 computer softwares, apps, because like apps are fun videos to do. And I did like an energy drink. You know, I really got into how would I talk about this product if I was, you know, making an ad about it. I really think that attitude got me ahead fast. I mean, hold on, I need to swing around because the dog is doing her thing. There we go. I got started into UGC fast because I'd written ads before. I used to be an advertising copywriter, so writing ads, knowing that style, it wasn't too difficult for me. I didn't start with this attitude of talking about a product that I used, and having that attitude set me up for success really early. Well, I did struggle. It was writing ads was never the problem, and understanding this as a business was crucial to my success. So I don't like when people tell you to just grab stuff and make videos about them, because the job isn't being a fan. The job is making videos for brands and using that money to live the life you want. You know, I don't mind not working with brands that I'm a fan of, because I get paid and that funds my lifestyle, so I can do things that I enjoy. I can see, you know, I'm a baseball fan. I don't need to work with the Red Sox, but I enjoy the money that lets me go enjoy the Red Sox. if that makes sense. So if you're going to do UGC, go to the store, get $25 worth of products that somebody your age would use that you never have. And that's going to get you thinking about how to make ads faster, I think, than going around. Yes, you already know the product and benefits of the thing that you have, but the sooner you are thinking about these as ads, the sooner you will be successful. So you won't have to struggle with, why is nobody hiring me? Like, why can't I get a gig? I'm making these videos about products I'm passionate about. So if you're new or you don't know what UGC is, user-generated content, I've got a link in the bio, description down below on how to get started. And I talk about, the different styles of UGC videos that you can make. And she's a husky, so she needs to walk. So I want you to, I'm sick of coaches telling you that, and I'll defend that if I need to. Okay. Bye.